This is a view when you come in. And then you have this display case that I have here. It's kind of empty because it seemed like I never could really get it to look exactly the way that I want. And now I'm getting ready to move, so that's why I didn't do the living room tour before, because it wasn't exactly how I wanted. But I figured I better show you because my new place is set up completely different. And so I wanted to be able to show people how to set it up when it's like this, or when it may be a different shape like the one I'm moving to. And then we have, you know, of course, this ball that I got here from Home Goods, and then the little trinket box that I got from Hobby Lobby. The coasters that are under there I got from At Home and clearance for Christmas last year. And you know, the dollar macaroons from the Dollar Tree. And they're like jewelry cases. I just put it there as a display. And this cake stand that I got from Home Goods. And then under here, we got that candlestick from Burlington. The one next to it came from Home Goods. These candles here came from Home Good. And the silver one in the front came from the Dollar Tree. The tray that they're all in came from Burlington. And this tea set came from the thrift store. And this diamond shaped figurine came from, I think it was Ross. I'm almost positive it was Ross. Okay, then we have my couch that was burgundy, and I painted it white. I did record how I did it. If you wanted to see how I painted my couch, let me know down below, you know, with a comment, and I will put that footage together to show you how I painted this couch. It was burgundy, and now it is a gray color. I have this picture on top of it that I made myself. I will add the link to that video down below. And the look that I was going for in this living room was a mixed metals with the gold, the silver, gray, white, blush, and black and white. As you notice, black and white curtains over the whole house, and I did that on purpose so I can swap out things if I needed to. Okay, on this couch, I hauled these a long time ago. These pillows here with the shag. In fact, I guess I say they came from Home Goods if I'm not mistaken. But again, I put the haul down below. I got these two pillow here from, where did I get these pillows? Or they're TJ Maxx, I want to say. They're on clearance at TJ Maxx. This pillow cover came from Hobby Lobby. The pink rose gold sequined pillow, I made that cover myself. And then we have a side table. I just have a basket here that I can throw extra stuff in it that I need. This white like shelf here that I have more macaroons in, or jewelry holders. It's just for decorations. Again, those came from the Dollar Tree. This lamp, I put some sequins Christmas wrapping on top of this gray lamp. Got that from the thrift store. And this lamp here, okay, in the corner here, this came from Home Goods. It's like a stool with acrylic legs, and that came from Home Goods. And this lamp, as you can see, this came from the thrift store as well. And I plan to change that somehow. I don't know how, but I will. And I got this chair here, and I was thinking about painting this couch charcoal gray. And so that's why I said, if you want to know how I paint the furniture, let me know, and I will show you with this chair. And we have the same pillows from Home Goods. I can't remember where I got this pink pillow, this blush pillow, and this silver pillow, because I had it for so long, years, so I don't remember. But it's safe to say either Burlington, Ross, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls. And here I have another display case here. And I just like the look of the display case. I think it's so elegant, so different. And I'm working on the pedestal. As you can see, I haven't finished yet. And I have a pair of my shoes that I have on this Lazy Susan from Home Goods. And I have a cover on a clutch. And I just love the way that looks when I come in here, I see that. Down the bottom, we have the jewelry holder here that I got from Target. I hauled that a while ago. And this Chanel picture that I got from OfferUp for $5. And just my jewelry that I have random here. And under here, the gray placemat came from Pier 1. It was on clearance. And I always talk about revamping stuff that you have. These things I have on each side of my window. That one, the one over here. And I will add a picture of what they look like. They were like a burgundy marble, and I spray painted it gray, and then put the Mod Podge and the silver glitter on top of it. You see how it reflects? Just awesome. I love it. And this right here, a long time ago, these had those crystal pieces in them, and I just took some tulle and intertwined it in between the holes where I took out the crystals and added these flowers in it, and I love the way that it looks. This armoire that I have here, and I will add a picture of how this looked before. It's not done yet. These are all videos that I've recorded. I'm sorry that I haven't been consistent. I'm always doing different projects, and I'm not quite sure if you guys want to see it or not. That's why I really need for y'all to thumbs this video up and comment below so I can know what you want to see. And I put this mirror on. I put the spackle in between. As you can see, I'm still working on it. I'm not done yet. And again, I started recording it, but you see on the side here how I got this piece here waiting to get glued on, and I've sanded it, and it's on this side so you can't see. But again, that's why I haven't done the living room tour, because I wanted to come to you guys when it was all completely done. But since I'm moving, again, I want to go ahead and show you guys everything so you can be able to get a good look. And this mirrored coffee table here, I got this for $50 for OfferUp, and it was so beautiful. And I was working on this armoire, and I didn't have the drawers hooked in all the way, and it fell right on this table. And as you can see, it has really bad damage to it. So I just got this throw here to kind of camouflage, and I actually think it looks pretty with this throw on here like this. But of course, I'm going to come up with something more permanent to do with that later on. But in the meanwhile, I like the look of that. I really like it. Oh, by the way, this gray throw here came from Burlington. And here I have these 2 candle holders, and have a haul for this. I'll add it down below. These 2 gold candlesticks these one here came from Home Goods. That came from Ross. This came from Ross. And the candlestick that is on came from Ross. And here, this other one, of course, came from Home Goods. And the tray that is sitting on came from the thrift store. And this pink throw here with this sparkle here came from Home Goods. I also hauled this a long time ago. The throw that's on here, the pink one, was on a Black Friday special from At Home back in November of last year. It was only $2.99, so that was a deal and a half. So I got quite a few of those, and I really like that. And let me give you an overview of everything again. And as you can see, I distressed the handles on this couch. I really love that. And I painted this couch 2 years ago, and it still looks good. And I don't know if you noticed, but this one wall I have painted here gray, and I just really think it really adds a nice touch to the wall. I painted that myself and just painted this one wall. I think if I would have painted all the walls that color, it would have been too much. And these curtains that are up here came from JCPenney's. This black and white damask curtains, and they also are blackout curtains, so they really do a good job with keeping the heat out and the cool in, or whichever season it is. I really love them. And hopefully you like this living room tour, and I am so excited to see what I'm able to come up with when I move, because when I tell you the setup is completely different, I'm a little intimidated, but I am going to do the best I can to make it work. I love you guys. Make sure you thumbs up this video and share it with anyone you think that will love to see this tour. And as always, be your own kind of beautiful, because you, my love, are beautiful. See you next time. Bye.